Hey you going guys, Steve here from Australian 4x4 Adventures again, and there are two awesome things that are going to happen in this episode. One, I'm going to run you through my top 5 bolt-on items for my car, and two, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway. Let's have a look. Let's roll that intro. Right, so as I was saying, top 5 bolt-ons for my car, or for any car, I reckon that should go off-road. When I say bolt-ons, I don't necessarily mean those sort of bolt-ons. Like, they're good, but not the sort I mean. I'm in trouble. So, from number 5, so probably least important to most important. So number 5 would have to be UHF. I know it doesn't go on the outside of the car, but you're still bolted in. Technically mine's cable tied in. Probably one of those must-have things really. Like, you need to be able to communicate between cars. In-car communication, kind of bloody important actually. UHF. Mine stays in here. So that's messy. That's awkward. So, little handpiece there, it's actually tucked up underneath here, so it's out of the way, nice and easy, don't have to touch it, all that crap. Plug it into a little RJ socket in the dash there, all good, that stays mounted there permanently. Good. UHF, number 5, let's get on to the real bolt-ons. Alright, let's go. Before I said again, that is a sexy ass of the car right there. Love it. Number 4, rear bar. It's fairly low on the list, mainly because you don't need it to start with. The main reason I got mine was because I wanted the spare wheel out from underneath the car on the back, so I could get a bigger tank underneath eventually down the track. Gives you a little bit more ground clearance. What to do? Plus the LED lights in these Reslar bars are mint! Love it. While I'm here, have you noticed? How cool is that? Made up custom hoodies. They might be for sale soon, I'll let you know. Check out the comments below if you're sort of maybe keen on having something like that. Cool, alright. Let's find number 3. Ooh, camera. Oh, neighbours. Hi neighbours. Number 3, roof rack. That's my ring. It's a bolt-on item. Number 3, fairly high on the list because it's so versatile. You can do pretty much anything and everything with it. I can do half my trips without the roof rack because my swag goes up there, the awning, gazebo, everything goes on the rack. As big as these cars are, you can't fit that stuff inside the car with everything else you've got as well. So, the roof rack's pretty damn important. Yeah. Roof rack. Oh, I've got the Rhino backbone mounting system flat rack, the Pioneer rack. The walls would be nice on the side to help hold stuff in, but I much prefer the look of the flat rack. It's just so much more seamless and nice. Personally, so I had a trade-off between looks and practicality. Looks won out on this occasion. Right. Alright, let's see if we can find number 2. Also, while I remember, between 2 and 3, I'm going to be doing subscriber shout-outs at the end of the video. So, if you drop a comment below, if you're another small creator, just someone who likes my stuff and you don't want to get your name spoken on YouTube or something. You know, some people might like it, I don't know. Yeah, drop a comment below. Every video I'll pick a different person who commented on the last one. So if you're constantly there, try and have some actual decent input rather than just a hi. You know, just other than that. Yeah, something different. So other small creators might be able to sort of maybe get in with some of my other subscribers and see how we go. Yeah, cool, something different. So drop a comment below if you're keen. Alright, let's keep going. Right here, number 2. Side steps. They're pretty damn important, so that's why they're number 2 on the list. Main reason I've got side steps, structural ones as well, so ones that actually take away the car. It helps protect the car, that's actual protection. So I've had rocks sitting under the car is sitting on these steps for 4 times now. So essentially I've saved the sills, so what I paid for the rock sliders has saved me money by not having to fix sills from damage that I've done when out full driving. I'd definitely get a set of rock sliders pretty early on in the whole bolt-on scene. Bolt-ons. To help protect the car. It's not just a looks thing, this thing is an actual protection thing. Ready for number 1? Let's have a look. Right, I think we all knew it was coming. Bull bar! They're kind of the most important thing overall because you can mount everything to it, plus it's front end protection for the whole car. So essentially if you hit a roo, or talking Australia here, hit a roo or a deer or something like that, it at least minimises the chance of immobilising the car. It might save it, it might not, but it's going to give you the most chance of doing that. Plus the advantage is you can mount lights and UHFs and winches and everything else and rattly light covers that know the hell out of you. Drop it in the comments below, guys, and tell me what I've missed or what you think I've got wrong. If you put things in different orders, I reckon there's a couple of things that you guys would do differently than me, but that's just my idea of top 5 bolt-ons, and they were actually the first things that I bolted onto my car in that order as well. So yeah, kind of living by what I'm saying. Yeah, so hopefully that helps you out for doing some of your own stuff. Alright, winner time. Let's go and announce that, shall we? Right, so winners. Grab my phone so I don't get the names mucked up. So I said winners there because I'm actually going to pick 2. One from the feed, and as per the rules that I said before, so essentially subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff that we have to do. So stubby holder and a trip. If you're in my area, I'll come out and film a trip. If you're interstate, if you want to, sounds really bad, if you want to pay for me to come up there and do it, I'll come out and film the trip for you, no dramas at all. Just cover my travel costs, I guess. It seems really bad saying that. See what happens, never know. Cole Davis, so congrats, man. Get on, shoot me a message on YouTube or on the Facebook page, Australian 4x4 Adventures. Just shoot me a message on there, and we'll do contact stuff and get on to you, send you a stubby holder and go from there. Second one, this one's just a bit of a random one because obviously the whole goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers. This guy actually messaged me on Facebook because he was my 1,000th subscriber. So that's pretty cool that I know who it is for one, and I sort of got a notification straight away of when it happened, so I was pretty excited about that. Brenton Woda, W-O-D-A. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, I'm horrible with stuff like that. So Brenton, thanks man, you're an absolute legend. 1,000 subscriber. Free stubby holder for you as well, so same thing, message me on Facebook or whichever, get on to me and I'll get the stubby holder out to you ASAP. Heartfelt thank you to everyone who subscribed. Hope you guys love the channel and like what I'm doing. I love just doing this stuff. I reckon I'm a bit of a tool sometimes, but hey, you gotta put yourself out there occasionally. Hopefully you enjoy it and keep watching and keep commenting, keep liking, keep doing all the stuff that you guys do, and I'll keep doing what I do, and hopefully we can grow this channel and just see where it takes us. So all you guys are my first 1,000. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much, and here's to the next however many. See you guys.